Hi friends, welcome to Telangana Properties Hub. Today we are going to see a new villa near Narapalli. So let us see how this villa looks like. So we can reach Narapalli via Uppal, and while going to Gatkesar, it's close to these two places. So this is the villa. This is how it looks. This is the gate, and the built-up area is 200 square yards. So this is the spacious, beautiful villa. You can have a look. It's east facing with HMDA layout with 85% bank loan available with 30 feet road. You can see the road, and this is the entrance gate. So let us see how it looks from inside. So this is the villa, just 5 minutes drive from outer ring road. It with good vastu, and it's very close to Uppal also. Ready to occupy villa. This is good vastu is there, and it is 3,260 square feet. So this is the villa. So this is the stairs with the two bathrooms there. So this is how it looks, the entrance. Very spacious. This is the entrance, and with open kitchen. Very big windows also. You can just have a look. This is the kitchen with wash area. This is a small puja room. You can see the puja room there. So this is the kitchen with the attached wash area. This is with false ceiling is also given, and let us see how the first floor is. This is the bathroom, and this is one bedroom attached just beside the bathroom with false ceiling. The window is also very big. This is one more window. You can just have a look. This is one bedroom, and this is the whole ground floor. So let us take the first floor, the upstairs. It's G+1 villa. So after taking the stairs, we will see how the first floor is. So this is the first floor, and 4 BHK villa this is. And these are the two bedrooms you can see on the opposite sides. This is the one bedroom, this one, and that is the balcony. Very spacious balcony. This is very nice view we have got from the balcony. You can see the beautiful villas from the balcony. You can have a look around. It's a good developed area. There are so many houses constructed around. So this is how the first floor is. This is all constructed with latest designs. So this is the first floor, one bedroom. This is one more bedroom. You can just see. Again, one small balcony is given attached to the bedroom. You can see this. Yes, big balcony this is. See this how this is. This is one more bathroom again. This is the bathroom. So it's being constructed with latest designs. This is one bedroom again with attached balcony. These are the stairs, and this is the total cost of this villa will be 1.6 CR. So the price is little negotiable also. It's east facing villa, good developed area with good ventilation also, and it's being constructed with latest designs. This is the bathroom. This is how it looks. This is ready to occupy villa. This is. So these are the stairs. can see the stairs there. So this is one more bedroom given here. This is also very spacious with fall ceiling for all the rooms. This is how it is. Again, attached bathroom is given in this room also. You can have a look. These are the stairs again. Yeah. This is a big balcony again, very spacious. So you can enjoy a lot in the evening times because it's very big balcony. So you can look around the whole nearby places. So for more information, you can call us on the below given number. So this is today's beautiful villa. Hope you all have enjoyed it. In 200 square yards place, east facing, and it's 3260 square feet. G+1 concept this is. So friends, hope you have liked our video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our videos. Any further information, please call us on the below given number. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Have a great day. Bye bye.